Best 600cc motorcycle for beginners. Kawasaki Ninja 650. The world of motorcycling is an enticing realm filled with the promise of adventure, freedom, and the exhilaration of the open road. For beginners with a passion for sport bikes, selecting the right motorcycle is a pivotal decision that can significantly impact their riding journey. The Kawasaki Ninja 650, renowned for its balanced performance, accessible power, and rider-friendly features, stands out as the premier 600cc sport bike for novice riders. With its robust power, agile handling, and rider-focused attributes, the Ninja 650 provides the perfect platform for beginners to embark on their journey of skill development, high-speed thrills, and sport bike enthusiasm without feeling overwhelmed. Impressive power and sport bike excellence. At the heart of the Kawasaki Ninja 650 beats a potent 649cc parallel twin engine. This power plant delivers a satisfying surge of power and torque, making it a formidable contender on both the street and the track. Race-inspired design and aerodynamic mastery. The Ninja 650 boasts a race-inspired design with sleek fairings, sharp lines, and a distinctive look that oozes performance. Its aerodynamic design not only enhances aesthetics but also contributes to stability and performance at high speeds, making it a true sport bike. Comfortable ergonomics and rider-centric layout. Rider comfort is paramount in the Ninja 650's design. It offers a well-balanced riding position that strikes a harmony between sporty and ergonomic, ensuring comfort during spirited rides and extended journeys. The generously padded seat, adjustable foot pegs, and rider-friendly ergonomics enhance the overall riding experience. Precise handling and nimble control. Despite its potent power, the Kawasaki Ninja 650 exhibits precise handling and nimble control. Its lightweight frame, responsive suspension, and agile characteristics make it easy for novice riders to confidently navigate the bike, whether they're carving through corners or cruising city streets. Safety features and learning confidence. Advanced safety features like ABS, slipper clutch, and rider modes are often included in the Ninja 650's package. These features enhance safety and provide novice riders with the confidence they need as they advance their riding skills. Versatility in riding scenarios. While the Ninja 650 is known for its high-performance capabilities, it's versatile enough to handle various riding scenarios. Novice riders can use it for spirited weekend rides, daily commuting, and even occasional track days, making it an adaptable sport bike. Community and rider connection. Kawasaki enthusiasts and sport bike riders form a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Becoming part of this community offers aspiring riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for sport bike excitement in the Ninja 650's capabilities. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Kawasaki Ninja 650 encourages skill development as beginner riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of high-speed sport bike riding. Cost-effective thrills. The Ninja 650 offers an excellent balance between price and high-performance excitement. While it delivers heart-pounding performance, it remains a competitive choice among 600cc sport bikes, making it an appealing option for beginners who seek top-tier performance without breaking the bank. Customization options and personalization. The Ninja 650 offers various aftermarket accessories and customization options, allowing riders to personalize their motorcycles to their unique preferences. Whether it's adding performance enhancements, sporty graphics, or other accessories, the Ninja 650 can be tailored to reflect the rider's style. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Ninja 650 epitomizes the spirit of sport bike excitement and Kawasaki's commitment to providing the ultimate 600cc sport bike for novice enthusiasts. With its potent power, race-inspired design, and dedication to rider performance and safety, the Ninja 650 offers an immersive gateway to the world of high-speed motorcycling without overwhelming beginner riders. By choosing a Kawasaki Ninja 650 as their first sport bike, beginners embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for sport bike thrills, speed, and the joy of pushing boundaries on two wheels. The Ninja 650 is not just a motorcycle, it's the key to unlocking a world of exhilaration and unforgettable experiences on the road and the track.